Hi everyone, it's Hannah here with ColDesi. Thanks for tuning in to today's ColDesi Daily content. Today I want to talk to you again about using Canva.com in their free online features. In a previous video, we did the basics of setting up your Canva account and then making simple business graphics that you can use on social media. But today, a new feature that I recently found out and I want to share with you guys is making a t-shirt design on Canva for free. So right now we're logged into our home screen. And again, if you need help setting up that account, you can watch our previous video. But we're simply going to press create a design here. In this search bar, we are going to type in t-shirt. And this way it will populate with some templates that'll help us out. All right, so we have our blank slate here and we're ready to start creating. So for this t-shirt design, I think it would be a really great idea to make something for the wedding or the bridal market. Making any kind of custom apparel for brides or for a wedding is a great opportunity for your business. So in our search templates here, we're gonna type in bride and see what it gives us. Now here's plenty of options, and again, like we talked about in our last video, all these templates can be adjusted to our liking. And we also wanna use free features. So I'm looking at these and we have a couple free ones. We have Bridal Shower Squad, we have the Brides Besties, and these are all super cute. I can definitely see a bridal party wearing these on a bachelorette weekend. So I really like this Team Bride in the top left. It's very simple and legible. It's not free, however. So I want to click on this template and I want to see what isn't free. You can delete whatever has a watermark and then you don't have to buy it. Therefore, you're making that template that was not free now free. So right away, I can tell that these stars have a Canva watermark. And if you click on them, they will say remove watermark. So you can do that. You can buy it and it will remove the Canva watermark, or you can just delete them. So I'm clicking on each star and I am deleting it. So the next step is I really want to make this graphic our own. And I think that the team on top of the bride would look really nice as the same font as the bride. So bride, it tells us on top, is Lemon Tuesday font. So let's go ahead and select team here, highlight it, and let's change it to Lemon Tuesday as well. There we go. So we're already changing this template and making it unique to our bridal party. I am just dragging the arrows to make it larger, and I am moving it around my screen with my mouse. All right, so there we go. We have a team bride. Another thing I'm noticing is I think these are two different colors. So if we click on bride, click on the font color, it is this palish kind of yellow gold color. Now if we click on team and click on the color, it's more of a dark gold. So let's go ahead and change team to this lighter yellow as well. All right, so we now have our team bride. So the next thing that is really great for these t-shirts, and I know a lot of brides and bridal parties like this, is some kind of way that this t-shirt will commemorate their bachelorette party experience. So we want to make this t-shirt unique. Let's go ahead and under our text on the left, add a heading. Now again, when you click on add a heading, it's just going to place it in the middle of your graphic, and we can just drag it below. And let's customize this for the bridal party. So we're just going to make up a name here, but we could do Lisa's bachelorette party. You can also here say where the bachelorette party is. If it's in Nashville, you can say Lisa's Nashville bachelorette party weekend. There's just so many options of how you can customize these shirts. So now let's change this placement, and we are going to put this right under the bride here. And I also want to change this font. It doesn't really go with our theme. Before, the team here had a font, I believe it was Playfair Display, and it did look really great with this cursive here. So let's highlight this and change it to the Playfair Display. I'm simply just going to type in Playfair Display. There it is, and it's already popped up for us. And that looks nice, very legible. Next thing I'm going to do with this added customization is I'm going to change its color. So a lot of brides will have designated wedding colors for you. They probably even have the exact color code. For this instance, we're just going to make it our own. I think with this light yellow, a nice light pink would go really well. So I am just clicking on the text. I'm then pressing new color, and I am going to find a nice light pink that I think will look nice with the yellow. All right, and there we go. So I think we're just about done here. But one thing I do want to add back are some kind of stars around the team bride, like this template had before. But we're going to go ahead and find some free ones. So on the left panel of Canva, we're going to press Elements. And here we're just going to search for stars. Now it's popping up already with tons of great free options, but let's just scroll through and see what we think would work best. So right away, I am drawn to these ones right here because they have that weathered look like the font of Team Bride does. So let's add those in. So I simply clicked on them and they appeared right on my screen. And we can play with these over to the side. If we just click them and drag them, we can adjust the sizing and whatnot. So they're a little big right now. Let's make them a little smaller. Let's angle them a little bit. Negative 30-degree angle. And let's drag them right over top here. That looks nice. Maybe a little bit smaller. And this is all up to you. You can play with your custom graphic however you like, however you think it looks great. Canva really allows you to be creative. So let's change the star's color to match the Lisa's Bachelorette weekend so this whole graphic can kind of come together. So I'm going to click on the stars. I'm going to click the color square in the top left corner. And it has already saved my document colors here. So every color I've been playing with, Canva is saving it. So let's pick that pink. And there we go. So that looks pretty good. You have a custom graphic here that you've completely customized yourself. I'm sure any bridal party would be more than happy to have this. So the next step is downloading your graphic. And if you remember from our previous video, we always want to change the name of it so when it saves it to our computer, we can easily find it. So let's change it to Lisa's Bridal Party. And now Canva's default option is to just go ahead and print these t-shirts for you. But we already have that part under control. That's our job. So we are going to click this arrow to the right and we are going to download this graphic. We're going to save it as the recommended PNG and press download. Now it's going to prepare our design and it is actually going to show us what this would look like on a t-shirt. And there you go. That's a very cute custom graphic. I could definitely see a bridal party running around on a bachelorette party weekend wearing these t-shirts. So it has saved it to our computer and we can open it up here. All right, and there it is. This is your custom t-shirt graphic that you made for free on canva.com. Getting the opportunity to make custom t-shirts for a bridal party or for groomsmen or anything for a wedding is a great opportunity for your business. And not having great graphic skills shouldn't stop you from taking these opportunities and growing your business. So having something like canva.com and being able to put together free designs like this is awesome. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's ColDesi Daily video. And I look forward to seeing what custom t-shirt graphics you make using canva.com.